Hello and welcome. Today we have subject expert English, Ramya ma'am. And as you have seen nowadays, it's examination time. Students are trouble preparing for their examination. But my dear students, like I always say, examination is more of a planning than preparation. Now, how to plan your examination properly, we will learn. Ma'am Ramya Krishnan will unfold the insights one by one, and she will also showcase some practical applications, some practical mistakes that are committed by the students while attempting answer. So, yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Amar sir. That was quite an introduction. And greetings to everyone who's watching. This is in particular with section B, writing skills. In grade 12 English core, we have 18 marks devoted to the writing skills section, creative writing skills. And these creative writing skills, if I particularly talk about, we have 4 segments under this particular section: 2 short writing skills and 2 long writing skills. Now, short writing skills, both of them are compulsory writing skills.
Okay.
One is notice writing, the other is the invitation.
So, are there any options, choices like between notice writing and invitation, or
No, both are compulsory questions. Notice writing, short writing skill is a compulsory question. You may get internal choices, but the question is a mandatory one.
fine?
And same goes for invitations as well. So it can be in the form of card or letter or replies, but then again, it's a
So,
compulsory
as I can
question.
see, you have been giving rigorous practice to the students for all these things. So now that you have evaluated so many copies and have your past experiences as well, so would you like to share some insights? What kind of mistakes they are going to make and how they can easily overcome this, or how they can plan their writing works more effectively?
Yes, sir. I'll try to shed some light upon that. One very common error which is spotted if I talk about notice writing. Now, notice writing, if I talk about, first of all, children forget that they're supposed to put the notice in a box.
Okay.
So then 0.5 goes there.
What's the total marks for notice writing?
4 marks.
4 marks.
Wherein
Okay.
format carries 1,
Okay.
content carries 2, and expression does carry 1.
Fine.
So together 4 marks. So here what happens is they forget to make the box, or they end up making an open-ended box. So they forget to close the box at the end.
Fine.
This is a very common error which we spot.
Mhm.
And if everything is correct, everything is set, then what we see is that they misinterpret the question.
Fine, I can see an answer which is checked by you, and yeah, the child has scored 2 marks. So as you can see, I'll be floating the sheet in the description box also in the form of PDF. You can access. Ma'am, will you tell me what kind of mistake there has the child made here?
Well, the child understood the question well, but then somewhere or the other had forgotten to incorporate all the details asked in the question. This is something very important, whether be it writing section or literature. It's
Okay.
important to answer every segment of the question.
Right.
Sometimes when the question is long, you get lost in the question. So that's not the way. CBSE would demand you to answer all the segments of the question, especially if it is a notice writing. Ensure the date, time, venue, all the minute details, everything should be answered.
I can see that the date was correct here, but the child has probably lost marks for this comma.
Yes. This
Okay.
comes under expression.
Fine.
The date, the format to write the date is you write the number 01 and then you write March. And
Okay.
after March, if you're writing 2025,
Fine.
then it's supposed there need not be a comma after March. But there's an idea why do we put comma or where do we put comma?
Fine.
If there are 2 digits, that is the date and the year next to each other, then in that case, to segregate the same, you put a comma. But if
Okay.
there is a month written, you need not put any comma, which
Fine.
children, most of them, they don't pay attention to, or maybe they're already in a practice of
Writing.
doing this.
Yeah.
So that is one error.
Fine.
And after that, how do you write the word notice? So it has to be in block alone.
Mhm.
cannot
The child
write-
has written in block
Yes.
letter.
So that is a very important point.
Okay.
Notice writing, this also carries marks. If you write it in running letters, then you don't score marks there. You lose your mark there,
Fine.
half a mark or something.
And I can see the title is underlined.
Yes. Rephrasing of the title is required.
Okay.
Title is not refined.
Okay.
Most of the time, title is given in the question itself.
Mhm.
You can copy it from the question.
Fine.
If you don't want to develop or invest time in creating one, then you can copy it. But here, the child ended up.
What according to you is an appropriate opening for the notice writing?
This is to inform.
This is to inform.
C6.
Okay.
This is to inform. the students. Who are we supposed to inform? Them. What class do they belong?
Okay.
And what is the information you're going to?
So
give.
now that you have awarded 2 marks to this writing,
Question.
particularly
Yes.
this answer, so where has the mark been deducted?
First, as I told you, for expression, see in the very first line itself, where the child has written the name of the institution, unknowingly the child has put a full stop. Maybe that's a practice of probably putting an end to whatever you're
Yeah.
writing. That comes in common with
Habitual
every
practice,
child for that matter.
Fine.
So maybe that's one thing. But then we teachers are very particular. English paper means full stop, comma, all
It
punctuation.
matters.
marks
Yeah,
matter.
it does matter.
So here the child has put a full stop, which unintentionally, but then the child did put a full stop, which is not accepted.
Okay.
So here
The child has lost
there's an
mark.
error
Okay.
here. Same goes for date, the
Mhm.
comma, which was not supposed to be there. Coming down to the this title part,
Okay.
it could have been rephrased. When you see title of any writing skill, be it any writing skill, title should be self-explanatory.
Fine.
If the title is not self-explanatory,
It
there
should
are
summarize the
chances.
main topic.
Yes,
Okay.
it has to summarize it. Maybe the person would not have enough time to read the content.
True.
So the person should be able to understand all that's there through the title itself.
Okay. One more thing, I can see something at the ending. Here 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So instead of 2, he should have written, or she should have written till, right?
Yes.
And in the date also, I can see 16th November 2025, where the child has written TH in the superscript.
Yeah, now it is redundant. We
Okay.
don't use TH or ND, such
Okay.
kind
In
of.
superscript.
Yes, we
So
don't
it should be
use such,
avoided. Okay.
superscript anymore.
Fine. Then this closing line is missing. That is, inconvenience is deeply regretted. This the child had not written. Means appropriate closing has to be
Right.
there.
The question was about suspension of electricity supply in a society.
Mhm.
So from wherever this is coming,
Mhm.
whichever organization is issuing it, they will have to post a line at the end that the inconvenience which will be caused is regretted, just to make
Right.
it formal.
So children, it is usually said the best thing is to learn from others' mistake. So I will be sharing this answer. It is properly evaluated. Go through the evaluation. Try to assess the mistake that this child has committed and not to repeat them when you are practicing. Moving on to the next question, which we have this. I think it's invitation.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you please read the question now? What the question is? This is question number 4B. Yeah.
You are Rishabh Shukla. You are, as the principal of a reputed college, you've been invited to inaugurate a book exhibition in your neighborhood.
Okay.
So draft a reply to the invitation expressing your inability to attend the event.
Okay. Means this time this reply has to be given by the person who has been invited, right?
Right.
Means it will be written in first person.
Yes.
Otherwise, when you are asked to write it on behalf of somebody, it is written in third person. So yeah, as I can see, this answer has been awarded 2.5 marks.
Right.
So what's the total marks here, ma'am?
4.
4 marks. Means 1.5 mark has been deducted.
Right.
Now, ma'am will tell where the child has lost marks. So what do you, ma'am?
See, here again, because it is a reply and it is supposed to be in the letter format, formal letter format. So first comes the sender's address, followed by that date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, content, and subscription, closing subscription. Now here, sender's address is, as you see, it's very clear, it's correct. Now coming to date, again, the child ended up writing 1 March, comma, because you spotted, we did see that the previous question on the
Yeah.
child with the same error, and then 2025. Now when you write single digit date, it's very important to put a 0 next to that particular digit.
True.
It's very important to put a 0 to next to that particular digit. And further following, we have the receiver's address, which is correct, not a confusion there. Coming to subject, it's very important you begin your subject with the word inability. If it is a refusal, you ought to use the word inability. And if it is an inacceptance, you use in acceptance of whatever invitation.
Okay.
So these 2 words are very important when it comes to invitation. Then the child in particular lost marks in the content.
Okay.
The child straight away began with the line, I regret my inability to attend and to inaugurate the book exhibition, and so on and so
What's the rubrics for assessment, ma'am, for this particular
Form
question?
same as I told for notice writing.
2 marks for content,
2
1
marks for content, 1 for
expression,
one
and
for
1 for
format.
format.
So this content part, the child has lost marks because the child did not give any introduction to the institution where the person was actually called to inaugurate or to attend. So this is missing. It's very important to thank before you
And
put up your inability to attend.
fine.
So you should thank.
Yes, the
first.
child should have started with something expressing gratitude.
Thankfulness,
Yeah.
yes. A sentence of thankfulness
Okay.
said that they invited the person and for so and so reason the person would not be able to come. That could have been said later. So rest everything is there. Then spelling errors are there. In English, everything
Matters. Yeah.
Comma, punctuation. I mean, right from punctuation to spelling,
Yes.
everything.
Here, I would like to suggest them that if you manage your time effectively, you must spare some times to go through the answer again and make the required corrections.
Absolutely. So then this child, the spelling again, inconvenience.
Mhm.
So now this is one word which is going to be used in your writing, short writing skills.
Yes.
Extensive. So develop a habit of learning such words properly. Regrets, inconvenience, regretted. So
Mhm.
single T, TT
With
again.
multiple syllables and multiple double consonants, triple
Yes,
consonants.
all those things should be clearly
Yeah.
understood because it's going to be asked. Other than that, the child has written everything. It's just that in the content part, the child missed writing a few
If we go like answer by answer, the video will be too long.
Yes.
So we will analyze the other answers and then we'll get back to you students. I hope the mistakes that this child has made, you're going to learn from these mistakes and you won't repeat these mistakes in future. So it's all for now. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time. I hope my students will consider and they will get benefited from this. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.